Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy's Toys. A beautiful week to everyone, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome again to Wendy's Toys. I want you guys to check out this gorgeous, trending and sophisticated short haircuts for beautiful black women. If you're looking for a hairstyle to really change your style, to change your face shape, or you want to change your look this week, I would like you guys to please watch this video to the end, because it's indeed a low maintenance short haircut that will take many years off your age. So if you really want that versatile style that can give you different styles on a particular cut, please watch this video to the end. If it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind on how you feel about this haircut. Indeed, this is indeed a lovely hairstyle. I just want you guys to see this haircut, and you can see how this hair is transformed to this perfect platinum pixie. So you can see it's indeed a haircut that will take about 20 years of your age, and it's a haircut that will suit even the older matured women. So if you're looking for that style that will make you look gorgeous, please, I would like you to watch the style, because they are carefully selected to give you that look and send eyes in every location. I appreciate you watching, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. God bless you guys, and stay locked to Wendy's Styles for more beautiful short haircuts coming your way. Ciao ciao and remain blessed. Bye for now.
What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it has been you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it has been you. I need you. Whoa. Now waiting you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me. Waiting you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, believe me. Don't just again. What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it has been you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it has been you. I need you. Now waiting you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me. Waiting you want, believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, believe me. Don't just again. What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it got me you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it got me you. I need you. Now wait till you want believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me. Wait till you want believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, believe me. Don't just again. What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it got me you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it got me you. I need you. Now wait till you want believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me. Wait till you want believe if you know, believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. And my love go past the love you give me. If I follow your hand, I beg, delete me, yeah. What have you done to me? What have you done to me? I don't know, yeah. What have you done to me? I don't know, I don't know. Believe me, yeah. Believe me, it got me you. I need you for my family. Believe me, it got me you. I need you. Now wait till you want believe if you know, believe.